Welcome back. Now, Rapid Bus Sdn Bhd is studying the need to install universal serial bus ports on its buses in the future. Chief Executive Officer Muhammad Yazurin Salij assured that Rapid Bus will emphasize safety of using USBs in its buses for the ease of passengers.
Supaya dia sentiasa selamatlah. So memang setakat ni bas kita tak ada, tapi memang in the future memang kita plan nak adakanlah USB punya port tu, tapi USB lah, bukan nak pasang TV ke dan sebagainya lah. Ya, sure. Sebab sebenarnya bas ni dia punya voltan ni rendah, dia tu 24 volt je dalam bas tu. Cuma bila kita adakan adapter dan sebagainya untuk tinggikan, untuk menggunakan peralatan-peralatan lain tu yang boleh perlu dititik beratkanlah keselamatan tu.
Meanwhile, when asked about Rapid Bus's plans to adopt the use of electric vehicle technology, Mohammed said the company is currently looking into the matter. He explained that EV buses can reduce maintenance costs by up to 30% compared to diesel buses. The government has previously expressed its intention to develop and promote the use of green technology by offering various incentives to support this goal.